Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to control your anger in 4 easy steps. If you want to manage your anger and manage your emotions, I'm going to go over 4 simple steps in a specific order that you can follow that will allow you to control your anger, manage your anger, and really get it under control. Now let's get right to it. Step number 1 is to actually recognize when you are physically starting to get angry. So when you're about to get angry, your heart starts to beat faster, your breathing starts to get faster and deeper. And what happens is that's your body's trigger, that's your body's sensation of allowing you to be ready for action. So when you get angry, that's your body's way of saying, hey, get ready to move, get ready for action. So with that being said, you need to recognize when that's happening, because you might be in a situation in which you feel just sort of angry, but then you see these emotions, you feel these things happening in your body, these sensations, and then you should know that, oh, it's time to go through the 4-step process. So that's step number 1, is recognizing it, okay? Step number 2, when you recognize it, you want to start addressing it. And the first thing that you can do is count to 10. Literally, I know it sounds cliche, but it actually works. Just count to 10. And not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you'll notice what I did there, I actually slowed down the counting as I went through the numbers. And as you noticed, I started to calm down, because this actually calms you down. And if you start slow, but you continue even slower with each number, you're going to be able to calm yourself down, at least for the most part. So that's step number 2, is you want to count to 10 slowly, slowing down the count with each number. That will begin to get rid of your anger, okay? Step number 3 is you want to breathe slow, deep breaths. So just like I said, your heart rate is speeding up when you get angry. Your breaths are getting deeper and faster. You want to do slow, deep breaths. So just breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Some people say to do it 3 times. I say do it 5 times. 5 super deep, slow breaths. That's going to control your body. That's going to send a signal to your body that you are in control of your anger and your body and your emotions. Your body's not controlling your brain. Your brain is telling your body what to do. So basically, you're telling your body that you're the boss of it, and you're telling it that you don't want to physically be angry. And last but not least, this is actually the most important step, and step number 4. You want to actually release the anger later on. So you don't want to, do these first 3 steps and then just bottle up the anger and leave it inside of you with the thought of what's making you angry. You want to release the anger later on. So there are many things you can do to release the anger. Exercising or working out is one of them. And doing something creative is usually the other one. So I would say if you experience anger and you control it with the first 3 steps, the 4th step will be to go to the gym later on, go for a run, go for a power walk, go for a bike ride, do some push-ups later on, and do something to sort of relieve your tension of that anger that anger caused. And also do something creative. That might be filming a video like I'm doing right now. It might be, playing your musical instrument. It might be drawing, it might be writing a book or writing a poem. Anything creative usually allows your anger to be released. And that's basically it. In this video, I've told you how to control your anger in 4 easy steps. I've gone over 4 simple things in a specific order that you can do to manage your anger, control your anger, and take control of your emotions. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for controlling your anger in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.